Today we are going to learn about leveraging AI for personalized marketing campaigns. You will discover how to implement AI-driven personalization strategies to enhance customer engagement and boost conversion rates.
Welcome to today's session on leveraging AI for personalized marketing campaigns. In this video, we will explore how artificial intelligence can be utilized to tailor marketing campaigns, specifically focusing on individual customer preferences. Personalization not only enhances customer engagement but also significantly improves conversion rates. By the end of this video, you will understand how to effectively implement AI-driven personalization strategies and gain valuable insights into optimizing your marketing efforts. In the realm of marketing, personalization is more than just a buzzword, it's a vital strategy. Personalization refers to the technique of tailoring messages and offerings to individual customers by leveraging their data and preferences. This approach dramatically enhances customer engagement by making them feel valued and understood. When customers receive content that resonates with their personal interests, they're more likely to engage, leading to higher conversion rates. AI plays a crucial role in facilitating personalization by analyzing vast datasets to identify user preferences and behaviors. This allows marketers to create more meaningful and impactful campaigns. In this section, we'll delve into the significance of personalization and how AI can elevate your marketing strategies to new heights.
Artificial intelligence offers a variety of tools designed to enhance personalization efforts in marketing. From machine learning algorithms that predict customer behavior to natural language processing that tailors communication, the landscape of AI tools is vast and diverse. Popular tools such as Salesforce Einstein, HubSpot, and Adobe Sensei provide features that automate and optimize personalization efforts. These tools analyze customer data to create personalized messages, recommend products, and even predict future purchasing behaviors. Integrating these AI tools with existing marketing systems is crucial for seamless operations. When choosing an AI tool, consider your specific marketing needs, budget, and the tool's compatibility with your current systems. Understanding these tools can help you make informed decisions to enhance your marketing strategies.
Data is the backbone of personalized marketing. Collecting and segmenting data effectively allows marketers to understand customer preferences and behaviors. Techniques such as surveys, website analytics, and purchasing history are commonly used to gather data. Once collected, data segmentation involves categorizing customers based on criteria such as demographics, buying habits, and engagement levels. AI can greatly enhance this process by analyzing large datasets to identify patterns and insights that might not be visible through manual analysis. Ensuring data quality and accuracy is essential for effective personalization. Accurate data leads to better customer insights, which in turn results in more successful personalized campaigns. This block will guide you through the best practices for data collection and segmentation. Customer personas are fictional representations of your ideal customers, based on real data about customer demographics and behavior. AI plays a pivotal role in creating these personas by analyzing large volumes of data to identify patterns and create detailed profiles. The process of creating AI-driven personas involves gathering data, analyzing it to identify key customer segments, and then developing detailed profiles for each segment. These personas help marketers understand customer needs and preferences on a deeper level, enabling them to tailor marketing efforts more effectively. The benefits of AI-driven personas include more accurate targeting, improved customer engagement, and higher conversion rates. In this section, we'll explore the steps involved in creating personas using AI and examine case studies of businesses that have successfully implemented these strategies. Dynamic content refers to web content that changes based on user behavior and preferences. This personalization technique enhances user experience by providing relevant and engaging content. AI plays a crucial role in creating dynamic content by analyzing user data to determine which content will be most appealing to each individual. Examples of dynamic content include personalized email campaigns, customized product recommendations, and targeted advertisements. The benefits of dynamic content include increased user engagement, higher conversion rates, and improved customer satisfaction. To effectively implement dynamic content, it's important to understand your audience, test different content variations, and continuously analyze performance. This block will guide you through the process of integrating dynamic content into your marketing materials.
Examining case studies of successful personalized marketing campaigns provides valuable insights into effective strategies and their impact on business success. Companies like Amazon and Netflix have set benchmarks for personalized marketing, utilizing AI to offer personalized recommendations that significantly boost customer engagement and sales. These campaigns often involve strategies such as leveraging customer data to create targeted content, using AI to predict customer needs, and implementing dynamic content to enhance user experience. The results of these campaigns demonstrate substantial increases in conversion rates and customer loyalty. By analyzing these case studies, marketers can learn from the successes and challenges of others, and apply these lessons to their own campaigns. This section will explore notable examples and the role AI played in their success.
Measuring the impact of personalization on return on investment, ROI, is crucial for understanding the effectiveness of your marketing strategies. Key metrics to consider include conversion rates, customer lifetime value, and customer retention rates. Tools such as Google Analytics and CRM systems can help track these metrics and provide insights into the success of personalization efforts. Additionally, analyzing customer feedback through surveys and reviews can offer qualitative insights into customer satisfaction. It's important to adjust strategies based on data analysis to optimize results. Personalized marketing not only improves immediate ROI but also offers long-term benefits such as enhanced customer loyalty and brand reputation. This block will delve into the methodologies for measuring the impact of personalization and optimizing your strategies accordingly. As personalization in marketing relies heavily on customer data, addressing privacy concerns is paramount. Understanding privacy regulations such as GDPR and CCPA is essential for compliance and maintaining customer trust. Best practices for data protection include implementing robust security measures, obtaining explicit consent for data collection, and providing customers with control over their data. Transparency in data usage is crucial for building trust. Clearly communicate how data is collected, used, and protected. Balancing personalization with privacy involves ensuring that personalization efforts do not infringe on customer privacy. This section will provide insights into addressing privacy concerns while maintaining effective personalized marketing strategies.
In conclusion, leveraging AI for personalized marketing campaigns is a powerful strategy that can significantly enhance customer engagement and conversion rates. Throughout this video, we've explored the importance of personalization, the tools and techniques involved, and how to address privacy concerns. Implementing AI-driven personalization strategies requires careful planning, execution, and ongoing evaluation. The benefits of such efforts are substantial, offering improved customer satisfaction, loyalty, and business success. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and practical steps to enhance your marketing campaigns. Thank you for joining us, and we wish you success in your personalized marketing endeavors.